What's up, world? You know who it is. It's your boy, Young Gino. And I am who? The handicap hero. Man, today we out here at the muscle car meet. It's muscle cars, hot rods, all those type of cars, man. We're going to get out here and take a look at a few of these cars. And we're going to see if we can see something nice. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you push subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Push the like button. Share this with your people. All that good stuff, man. You know how it goes down. It goes just like that. Keep rocking with your boy. If you already been rocking with me, man, I appreciate you, man. We're about to get out here and get into it. You dig? So holla at your boy on the other side.
What's so you a fool for this one, you heard me?
Yeah, we back at it today, looking at these old schools. Let's go check them out right quick. We're gonna check them out. Oh, look at that boy, man. That vet looking nice. Look at the other vet. I like the colors. These are all vets coming down this road right here. Straight vets. Look at the old school Chevy back there. Yeah, that boy clean. Got the Z28. That Camaro thing. You got your Mustang. What's up under that hood though? Okay. Look, man, check out the old school Mercury. The low rider. Yeah, this is me right here, cuz. All the way. Now we get down. With the blue dice. With the mirror. You know what's happening. Look at the Avalanche. Ooh, that boy nasty. Yeah, I like that. Check out these wheels, man. Yes, sir. That's nice. The Escalade. Let's see what this Escalade looking like. What is the Escalade looking like? Let's see what it's doing. Oh. Roll up on it. Got the doors up. Yeah, that's all nice too. Hold on, let's check out the wheels. Oh. Look who car I ran into. That boy say Fulanzo out here. He got the hood up. You already know what it is. It's the Hulk, baby. Yes, sir. Let's check out the hot rod. Check the hot rod out. Dragonfly. Got another hot rod right here. Pull up on it, see what this Chevy looking like. Check out up under this hood. Yeah. I like it. Ooh, you got the nice Chevelle over here. Look at that engine work. Man. Got the orange paint on the Chevelle looking nice too. Go to the back side of that Chevelle right there.
Car number 11.
Whoop. Right here you got your Chevy, your El Camino. Ain't got no hood on that boy. Check that engine out. Got the Edelbrock in there. Looking nice. Yes, sir.
Car number 50. Out here.
Ooh, man, it's hot out here. Look, I done pulled up on these Mustangs, man. They got some stuff up under the hood. They going crazy with it. I gotta show y'all this. Look, they going crazy with it up under the hood. That's nice. We got another one. Going crazy under the hood. cars out here, all muscle. All muscle. This all gas. All gas. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. The old school Bel Air, you gotta look nice. So look, man, check this out. So what happened was, y'all know I record off my phone now because I got the S20 or whatever. So I kind of like how it works. So I started recording off my phone. But what happened was, my phone, it was so hot outside, my phone overheated and it shut down. So I couldn't record nothing else. So that's the end of the video, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I couldn't get y'all some more footage because the phone overheated. Wasn't nothing I could do about that. But until next time, push that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Holla at your baby. Yep.